I became a midwife after being a labor nurse for, I'd probably been 10 years, and I'd always loved Mom Baby was my favorite. And when I started realizing that I was disappointed when the doctor would show up for the birth, because sometimes that didn't happen, and realized I wanted to be part of the whole process. I think I was a nurse for long enough that I realized that I felt most comfortable with the safety of all the resources that a hospital has to offer. Things can go wrong quickly in labor and delivery, and even when you're in a hospital setting. I like to make it as personal as possible, but I appreciate the safety aspect of delivering in a hospital. Birth wishes, I like that philosophy, where it needs just to be open-minded. It's like, in an ideal world, what would I like? As opposed to, I want this and this and this, because it's hard to control. I feel like labor and delivery is such a unique process, and that all of us, the parents, the provider, or nurses, are along for the ride, and baby's in control, so we follow what baby dictates, which may not be the bells and whistles that maybe they had thought about. The value of patients knowing that they will have a midwife available, I think for a lot of them it's security, it's comfort, because maybe they have that relationship with the midwives. I find that sometimes in other practices that can be a reason for patients to want to be induced so that they could be delivered by a midwife and not take the chance that it would be a doctor that they don't know particularly. So I've found that to be pretty common. So our hope is that we won't have that we're all pretty similar and great colleagues, and that even if they haven't seen the particular midwife that they have for their birth, that it will still be a great experience.
Occasionally?
Yes, I do. It's always been a thing. I have branched out a little bit more, and I've made some stuffed animals that were very challenging, and clothes, but I had boys and grandboys, so it's hard to sew for them once they get past blankets. But we do have the girl now, so I'm working on it. But yeah, it's peaceful for me. I go down my sewing room, turn on the music, and I just kind of get lost. And every baby that comes around in my life, I have to make them blankets.